As I write in my room where I think with my brain, I took a look at my book and I realized it was good. But that's just perfect for a writer like me. You know, I shun a very small vocabulary.
At 4:30 in the morning, I'm writing the plot. Jebediah writes the poems and Jacob edits, fool. And I've been reading and writing so long that even my teacher thinks that my life is gone.
I'm the man of the book, I'm into fantasy. Got a notebook in my hand and a pencil in my ear. But if I finish all my homework and you finish yours, then tonight we're gonna write like it's
Stephen King's birthday.
We've been spending most our lives living in a writer's paradise. At a writer's workshop once or twice, living in a writer's paradise. It's hard work and sacrifice, living in a writer's paradise. We sell poems at discount price, living in a writer's paradise.
A local bully kicked me in the butt last week. I just smiled at him and I turned the other cheek. I really don't care. In fact, I wish him well, cause I'll be laughing my head off when he's answering my doorbell. But I ain't never punched an idiot, even if he deserved it. A writer with the tool, you know that's unheard of. I never write columns, but I got a cool pen. And my homies agree, I look really good in slacks, fool.
You come to visit, you'll be bored to tears. I haven't put down my pencil in 300 years. But we ain't really quaint, so please don't point and stare. We're just super ultra socially impaired. We've been spending most our lives living in a writer's paradise. We just write and summarize, living in a writer's paradise. There's time for fun and games, living in a writer's paradise. We don't talk, we always write, living in a writer's paradise.
writing up a plot, making lots of poems. Wrote a story on Monday, should I write another? Think you like to write? Think you're good at writing? Well, I'm a million times better at writing than you.
The writer that the little nerds wanna be like on my chair day and night, scoring point through chess. So don't be vain and don't be whiny, or else I might have to write a mean story about you.
We've been spending most our lives living in a writer's paradise.
We're all crazy for reading nights, living in a writer's paradise. There's no sports or social lives, living in a writer's paradise. But you probably think it bites to live in a writer's paradise.
You're wrong. Yeah.